Hello student, now I am your sport teacher Sanjay sir. Just explain the remaining part of the discus throw. That is the fundamental skill of the discus throw. In this discus throw, the skill of the first of all initial position. The initial position, the discus thrower stand in the circle facing back. It means face should be back throwing direction. Face should be this side and back should be this side. His both feet should be open and in straight line, just like here. Both the legs should be straight here. He takes one or two swings, then he moves towards the left by bending his knees. It means he will stand here straight, two or three swings he take it here, and the weight of the thrower on the left leg and bend the knees, then the face should be turned towards the throwing sector. This is called turning. Second one, while taking a turn his body weight towards the throwing sector, the weight shift from right foot to left foot, from this right to left here, then right foot comes in the center of the circle. Here the right foot will be come to the center of the circle and left foot will be moved to this side. Simultaneously the left foot comes toward the throwing sector. It means this side. Now the final phase of this thrower. In this position the thrower feet rest on the surface of the circle. Here on the circle the left leg remains straight. Here the left leg will remain straight and the right leg will be come to the center and then straight, while the right leg remains bending position. Here left leg will be straight, right leg will be bending position in the center of the circle. Then the discus is thrown with full force. Here with this position the thrower will come to this line. This is the ending line of the sector. At the same moment the right foot comes near the edge of the rim. Here this is the edge of the rim, and thrower will be full force take and throw the discus to the throwing sector area. After throwing the discus, the thrower or the athlete or the player will come back from back side like here. It means this indicating line, both side. Don't cross this indicating line. The entry and exit will be this side or this side after finishing or throw the discus, and the measurement of the discus will be count from here to the last touch of the discus, and the discus should be in this sector. Don't cross these lines. If the discus will go outside this sector or these lines, it will be the foul. It means the discus should be thrown in between the angle, that is 34.92 degree from the center, and the athlete will come back from this side. Otherwise the foul will be count. They are the best of three throwers. It means a player have the three chance to throw the discus, and the best of their throw will be count. Right? It means a player get the three chance, and the best or the maximum thrower count by there from this point. Right? This is the final position of a thrower, and after the throw discus he or she will be come from this side. Otherwise, there will be foul if the player touches the last line of the rim or cross these lines or entry exit from this side. Okay, so this is the all about the discus throw. Next time we will take the another throw event in the athletics, javelin throw. Okay, thank you so much.